Welcome to One Question at a Time, the TSI series. Question number 223. Angela planned to put a round rug in her room. If the room is 15 feet long and 16 feet wide, what is the area of the biggest rug she can buy? And they said take the value of pi at 3.14. So as we know, the boundary in red is the rectangular room, and we have the 15 feet here and 16 feet here. So the length and the width of the room, and that the biggest areas, the area of the biggest rugs you can buy have to fit in that circle with the diameters of 15 feet. Okay, so this one means D is 15. So to find R, D equal to R. So R equal D divided by 2. That is 15 divided by 2. That is 7.5. So now we have the area of the circle is a circle that equal pi times r squared. Okay, now we have pi times r squared. R is 15 over 2. We can use that. R squared, and then we can take 3.14 times 15 squared is 225 all over 4. We can use the calculator to calculate it, and we have the answer as it is right here. And then we round up because of the 6. Right here we round up 1 unit, so it becomes 177. But if we don't use the calculator, we still can do it. So we see that it's 225 if we divide by 4, or if you take 7.5 times 7.5, you still can have the answer. 5 times 5, 25, write 5, remember 2. 5 times 7, 35, remember 2, 37. 7 times 5 is 35, write 5, remember 3. 7 times 7 is 49, remember 3. That is 52. Now we add them all up. 5, 12, remember 1, so 6. So 5, 6, 2, 5, but we have 2 decimal place, so it's 56.25. And then we continue with this one, multiply by 3.14. Okay, but in case that we can do the, after that we have, this is 3.14, we multiply by 56.25, right? So as we look at the answer choices, the range between them is far apart. So this is 200, 800, 700, 100. So we can estimate it instead of doing exact value. For example, I will not take 3.14, I just take 3, and then I will not take 56.25, I just take 56. When I perform this one, I will know 3 times 6 is 18. Write 8, remember 1, 3 times 5 is 15, remember 1 is 16. So 168 is the estimated answer. And because it's estimate, so you choose the one closer to it. So you see that 177 is the one is closer to 168. So without calculators, we can still solve these questions easy. Thank you for participating in this series and see you next time.